everybody, my name is Mark Schuyler. Welcome you to my channel today. Today I'd like to talk to you about Power Lead System and what it can do for you and your business. What I'm going to do right now is log into this. And I'll give you like a brief overview of what Power Lead System is. You go, you click on there, and then, okay, so anyway, with Power Lead System, you get a funnel, which is like a sales page and so forth, that is to generate leads for any business that you may or may not have currently. But it's a way to get started. Um, we have like what you call share codes, where you use it to create other people's systems that they've already created. So anyway, please excuse me for that. I have like notifications going off. But anyway, so when you want to promote Power Lead System, you have these funnels here you go through, like right here. And then once you decide you want to choose one, and then you just choose it, and then down there, then you click on Save My Choice. It's really neat stuff. Been around for 10 plus years. It's always paying out. So for other people that are worried about, well, how long has it been around? This ain't some fly by night company. No, they've been around for 10 plus years, like I said. And then, like I said, all you do is save your choice, and then go back up here. And so, when you first come in, you're going to go to get started. You click on the click easy button, and then you want to go through these three steps. So, if you have a business that you're signing in and stuff like that, um, let me turn this off real quick for you. So, don't disturb anybody. Okay. Sorry about that, but anyway, I'm back. Um, So anyway, when you go, you got these three steps you gotta do. Okay, so you'll join a Facebook group. You choose which link you want to advertise, and you advertise your links. So for me, I have a business that I promote. Now I switch this around from time to time on which ones I want to promote. But anyway, you have like these four funnels you can choose from. Um, you choose those, and then you choose the traffic source that you want to use to promote that you get good leads from. I use a few of them, but that'd be for like another video where I could link all this stuff together and show you how I do all this stuff. So just I'll let you know. So that's what you get. And also with this, you get a let's show you here. It is a autoresponder. Sorry, I got lost in words there. Um, so then you could, send campaigns. So what Power Lead System has is already they have a um, a way they have campaigns already set up for you, branded to you, and then you just sit. They automatically send them out. So it's really interesting. So you don't have to create like a for somebody starting out and that are about, hey, you know what? I don't know how to set up an autoresponder, write emails, stuff like this already does it for you. So it's roughly $54 and some change a month. But like I said, you get sales pages, a follow up system, and also what we have here is a way how you can earn commission. I know people want to know, hey, how much can I make with this? Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna show you. So with the gold stuff here, and I'll show you. And you click on this video here, so it tells you, it breaks it down. So you earn like $20 up each person on the gold level, and so forth. So that's basically that one. And on this one here, if I remember correctly, it's $50 on each person. Then on the diamond level, you earn $100 each person. And it's pretty cool. And also, you get matching bonuses too on top of that. And on this one here, you get $400. So, but you gotta be owner of these courses here in order to earn that. So, with someone you refer to becomes a gold member, they can buy these pet. As long as you're an owner of these products here, you can earn commissions off of them. If you're not, then it goes up to your upline who already owns those packages, those courses, stuff like that. So it goes up to them. So that's just how that works. So anyway, so on the elite level Master Trapper Institute, you can earn $1,000. But like I said, you have to earn this. I mean, you have to own this product itself. So and then it breaks it down to you. Each one you hit these play buttons, it breaks it down to you what this is and stuff like that. I don't want to go into all that stuff, but just to let you know that it's a way how you can earn some commissions too. And for people to know, this is residual income for the gold level and the emerald level. Just so I'll let you know that. So as long as you're a gold member and you own these packages and stuff, and you sell it to somebody else buys it off of you, you earn money like that. So it's pretty cool. You don't get 50% mastery bonuses for each one of these that somebody else on your team and then for somebody else and they buy it and so forth. It's pretty cool. So pretty interesting to learn. And also we have training here. You just go to the training area, click on that, and then when you become a member of the let me get back of the diamond level, you get the free ad secrets. Just so I'll let you know. So each one of these has like a name for each one you go into. Just so I'll let you know. I forgot to mention that, but that's how that we go. And the other thing is you get the endless free lead system when you become a gold member too. Also, remember when you become a gold member that you want to become an affiliate, so you get earn money off it, not just a customer. I did that once when I became a member of the Power Lead system. I didn't become an affiliate. I became a customer, and I lost some sales. So, yeah, something I didn't really check out. I should have. But anyway, when you become the gold member here, you get the roadmap to riches. You can check all that stuff out. And then what they just brought out was this Home Business Pro. And I'll show you which one that it is. So you just know it is this one right here. It was Social Profits Academy, if I remember correctly. It was that. So anyway, to get started, I'll have a link. I can tell you, go to markscashsystem.com. I promote the Cash Now funnel there that is put together by Frank Galappo Jr. and he walks through how to get started with the stuff, and he breaks down a comp plan. It's just truly amazing how he does it. It's pretty interesting. So I'll have a link at the end, at the below this video in my comments section on YouTube. And on Facebook, I'll have a link there too. So on that video there, so just I'll let you know. Thank you for checking out this video.